How to change Photos app to normal on iOS 18. So if you want to change your Photos app to normal on iOS 18, then what you need to do is first open up the Photos application. Once you're on your photos, now you need to scroll all the way down on your collections and you'll have reorder option. Tap on reorder, and from reorder, now if you don't want any album, then what you need to do is just simply go with the minus icon, which will be on the side of that album, and remove the album or adjust the album wherever you like. For an iOS 17 style layout, keep only the media types and utilities and remove everything else. Once you've made your changes, close the settings and go back to the Photos app, and you'll see that the Photos tab only shows your photos library when you scroll down instead of having extra sections. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.